I've had some recent questions on how to save designs from a USB stick onto a Viking embroidery machine. So we have a lot of people taking our Embroidery Essentials online course. Great course to check out. You learn 15 different embroidery techniques, and what it does is really, it gives you something to do while you're learning how to use your machine. So trust me, great way to do this. Now, you can get these designs to a USB stick, and you can work just off the USB stick, no problem. You can put your designs on the My SewNet, and in your cloud, they'll always be there. But I've also had people ask me about saving the designs to the machine. So I want to walk you through those steps now. So at this point, you have saved your embroidery designs on the USB stick. Again, it's very easy to use the designs from the stick, but if you want to use that stick for something else and you just truly want the designs right at your fingertips, the steps you need to take is to first, let's go to the folder with the heart on it. So in your file manager, let's navigate over to the USB stick icon. And this folder I have actually, and I'm going to open this a little bigger so you can see it. I have a folder that's, well, you can't really see the names of the folders. So how do we fix that? So even though I know which one it is, I want to show you this. Right here where the 3 lines are, it allows the words to show up, especially when you have titles that are longer than what was showing. So on this one, Embroidery Essentials, okay, I'm going to only touch it once. I'm going to copy the whole folder and then save it where I want to save it. So Embroidery Essentials is everything I need is in that folder. So down here at the bottom, there is an option to copy it. It's the one that looks like 2 little pieces of paper. Once you've touched it, that option goes away. Now, where do you want to save it? So you want to go up to the cloud with the heart on it. Now, even though I said cloud, even if your machine is not connected to Wi-Fi and you have set up the My SewNet account, this is still where you're going to save it. It's just going to reside in the machine. Since I am hooked up to my home Wi-Fi and I am logged into my SewNet account, it will save it in the cloud, and that is what my machine is seeing. So as I hit paste, that's all I need to do. Boom. Did you see how fast that went? Embroidery Essentials right there, along with all my other ones I've got going on today. But it's that easy. It's a copy and a paste. So if you, and then let's say you don't need it anymore on the machine. Whatever you highlight, whether this is, you want to delete it off the machine or delete it off the USB stick, you can come right down here and there's a trash can for you to delete it. So just watch what you do in this pink area because you're copying, you're pasting, you're deleting, and it's actually deleting. So if that's what you want, it'll double check, it'll ask you, are you sure? And you can say yes or no. But that is how easy it is to save designs from a USB stick into your machine or into your cloud setup here. You can see my little top guy, he's spinning. There was, oh, and he's done. That was the cloud updating for those designs I've just put on that into my account. So super easy to do. Give it a try if you don't want to work off the USB stick and want things right at your fingertips.